In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment on Calendly 2025, 5 minutes. Let's walk through it together so you can create a polished booking link that's ready to share. Start by opening your browser and going to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log in the top right. Enter the email address associated with your Calendly account and click Continue. On the next screen, enter your password and continue to sign in. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may see that option as well. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage where your event types live. Now click Create. From the options, choose a one-on-one event. This is perfect for a single guest meeting like a consultation, interview, or quick check-in. Give your event a clear descriptive name so invitees know exactly what they're booking. You can also add a short description to set expectations like the agenda or what to prepare. Next, choose the duration. Pick the length that fits the purpose. 15, 30, or 60 minutes are common. Think about adding variety in your event library later, but for now, choose the single duration that makes the most sense for this appointment. Then select the location. Calendly integrates with Zoom and Google Meet to automatically generate meeting links, or you can choose a phone call. If you pick phone, clarify who will call whom in the event description so there's no confusion. Set your availability window for this event. Choose the days and times you want to offer and confirm your time zone at the top. If your calendars are connected, Calendly will automatically prevent double booking, but it only works during the hours you set here. Consider leaving buffers before or after meetings to give yourself breathing room. Select who will host the meeting. If you're working solo, that's you. If you're part of a team, make sure the correct host is assigned so the right calendar, time zone, and integrations apply. When everything looks right, click Create. Calendly will build your event and take you to its share page. From here, copy the event link and share it anywhere: email, chat, or your website. Your invitees will see available times in their own time zone, choose a slot, and receive automatic confirmations. A quick pro tip: open the link in a private window to preview exactly what your guests will experience. That's it. You've set up a clean professional booking flow in Calendly, and you're ready to start scheduling.